What if I told you some people are getting therapy from earthworms? Welcome back to Weird But Well, the channel where we dig into wellness trends so bizarre they make our why though meter want to immediately burrow deep underground and rethink its life choices. Today, we're getting down and dirty with earthworm whispering. Do soil therapists actually exist? Because apparently, worms aren't just for fishing bait. They're the new life coaches for your chakras. Is this profound bio-connection, groundbreaking ecotherapy, or just pure, unadulterated nonsense? Let's try not to get too grossed out as we dig in. Now, you might be familiar with vermicomposting. That's the scientifically proven, environmentally fantastic practice of using worms to break down organic waste into nutrient-rich compost for gardening. It's awesome. It's efficient. It makes your plants happy. But then, the wellness world, in its infinite ability to turn a simple concept into a spiritual journey, decided to upgrade the worm's job description. Enter earthworm whispering and the emerging field of soil therapy. Yes, apparently these are real micro-niches. Proponents claim that interacting directly with earthworms and nutrient-rich soil can provide a profound connection to the earth, reduce stress, improve mental well-being, and even, get this, align your energy or balance your chakras. Some even talk about listening to the wisdom of the worms or absorbing their grounding vibrations. Think of it as forest bathing. But if the forest floor started wiggling and you were supposed to have a deep conversation with it, our why though meter, much like a worm exposed to sunlight, is squirming uncomfortably. Let's be very clear. The proven benefits of being in nature, engaging in gardening, or even simply feeling dirt between your fingers, known as grounding, are real. These activities can reduce stress and boost mood. But are there any additional benefits from literally whispering to worms or absorbing their specific wisdom that you don't get from just, being a person in a garden? Here's what our hypothetical but scientifically accurate lab test on an earthworm whispering session would probably show. First, 0 additional chakra alignment from worms. Worms are incredible decomposers, not spiritual gurus. Their expertise lies in soil aeration and waste conversion, not your energy centers. Second, 0 direct absorption of worm wisdom or vibrations. While some beneficial microbes in soil might positively impact mood, the worms themselves aren't transmitting cosmic secrets or therapeutic frequencies directly to your soul. Third, and perhaps most importantly, your garden will be thrilled. Worms do enrich soil, which benefits plants. So your garden gets therapy even if you don't. And let's not forget the actual downsides of literally communing with worms in the way some soil therapists suggest. Because our Weird But Well motto is wellness but sideways, not wellness but parasitic. Hygiene? Darling. Hygiene. While garden soil is generally healthy, playing directly in it and engaging with worms in a therapeutic way without proper hand washing can expose you to bacteria, fungi, and yes, even potential parasites. Misplaced focus. Instead of addressing real mental health concerns with proven therapies, people might spend time and money on practices that offer little more than placebo. The ick factor. For many, the squirming sensation of worms might be more stressful than therapeutic. Worms don't care. They're busy digesting organic matter. Your existential questions are not on their agenda. Your body is amazing at connecting with nature just by being in nature. It doesn't need to engage in interspecies psychological sessions with a segmented annelid. So, what's our why though verdict on earthworm whispering and soil therapy? While the desire for a deeper connection with nature is genuinely wonderful, assigning therapeutic wisdom to worms or expecting them to align your chakras is a classic case of taking a good thing, vermicomposting and gardening, and pushing it into the truly absurd. Enjoy your garden, appreciate your worms for their ecological service, but maybe leave the therapy sessions to, people. Your garden will thank you even if the worms remain indifferent. What's the weirdest animal-based therapy you've ever heard people try? Share your stories and your favorite actual gardening tips in the comments below. If you found this dive into soil-based silliness both weird and well, hit that like button and subscribe to Weird. But thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and keep your therapy out of the compost bin.